The Gravel Layover Travel Blanket is a comfy, personalized puffy blanket that also doubles as a ground cloth for hiking. There are a lot of travel blankets out there, but most of them aren't as light, packed down as small, or are as warm as the Layover. Because instead of being made from polyester fleece like most jackets, the Layover is designed like a puffy jacket with a thin 20 denier nylon shell and a polyester loft insulation on the inside. It also packs down small with a dedicated drawstring stuff sack, which is stored in this side hidden pocket. Packed down here with an apple for scale because I don't have a banana, measures about 6 by 5 by 4 inches or 15, 13, 10 centimeters. The unfolded dimensions on my blanket are a little smaller than the ones on the website. It's listed at 6 by 3.5 feet, while mine is closer to 5 feet 6 inches by about 3 feet 2 inches, or 168 by 98 centimeters. I'm 5'10", so this thing is just a little too short to cover my entire body. The Layover blanket has a few handy features that make it great for travel. There's a large pouch on the bottom for putting your feet in with insulation that goes up about 5 inches on the front and the back. I think this would work great for people who run cold on airplanes because you can take your feet off and stick them inside this pouch. The next feature is the pillow pouch with a fleece lining on the back, like a little kangaroo pouch. This thing is going to be on the inside of the blanket when you're wearing it. And then you can also fold the blanket into this kangaroo pouch, and it turns the blanket into a small pillow with this fleece lining on one side. If you're not concerned about space, you can just carry the blanket around like this, but you can see it's about 2 to 3 times larger than it is in the stuff sack. I took the Layover on a few hikes last weekend. It also works great as a ground cloth. This thing is easily large enough for 2 people to sit on it. The Layover also has a waterproof coating. It's not seam sealed, so it's not gonna work as a raincoat if you get caught in a downpour. But it works well enough to protect the blanket from spills and maybe a light drizzle. This nylon fabric is really easy to clean. Most dirt you can just brush right off the blanket, but if you do get it dirty, it's machine washable on cold and it easily dries overnight. In summary, the best uses for this blanket are travelers who run cold, especially in airplanes and airports, and it could also double as a ground cloth if you take it hiking. This thing obviously will take up space and weight in your pack, but because it's designed like a puffy jacket and not a fleece, this thing is a lot smaller, lighter, and warmer than many of the other travel blankets on the market, which can be worth it if you're someone who tends to run cold all the time when you're traveling. That's all I have for the Gravel Layover Travel Blanket. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.